So recently I went to the final lap tour. Obviously, Busta Rhymes, 50 Cent. The show was absolutely crazy, and that's inspired me to make some 2000 style beats. Now, I'm not necessarily going for a 50 Cent sound, but just somewhere around that 2000s mark. A lot of the stuff I listen to on a regular basis is from that period. So let's get into it. So I just bought the Korg Triton VST. This was on the Black Friday sale on the Korg website. It was down to like $99, so I thought, why not? Makes perfect sense for this type of beat. So let's have a browse in here and see what we can find. For these 2000 type beats, I think it's all about the call and response. They use a lot of layers, but all kind of gel together to make the overall beat. So with each layer, I'm just trying to leave plenty of space for the other layers to come in and out. We're just going to go back into the Triton again. Next, once again, you guessed it, I'm back in the Korg Triton. I'm just going to put down some strings for the 8th bar where we didn't put down the harpsichord. Just to thicken that out, I've duplicated it over and I've added a second string patch. This is the Arco strings. I believe this is actually the string patch that Scott Storch used to use on tracks like Lean Back, Candy Shop, Just a Little Bit by 50 Cent. Obviously, he was crazy with his pitch bend. I haven't done that, but here's how they sound together. And I'm just going to duplicate that over one more time and add it as a pizzicato as well. On these, we're just going to take them up one octave using Control and Shift. Next, I'm just going to put down a few simple chords on the high-pitched piano. We're almost there, just a couple more layers. Put a hi-hat in next. I think that's what's really going to give it the bounce. Obviously, no 2000s beat is complete without a sub bass line. So for this, I'm not actually using the Triton. I'm going to use nothing but a sub bass in Heat Up 3, as I think this is a really good sine kind of sub bass sound. A few notes wrong there, so I'm just going to quantize these. I think this is sounding sick. Definitely give me that 2000s kind of vibe. I think there's still plenty of room for vocals in this, even though there's loads of layers too. So just a little bit more percussion that we can take in and out when we structure it, and then maybe just some strings to back up the main melody for the chorus. Just going to use a little bit of percussion from Decap Drums at Knock. Shout out to Decap, I love his channel. I don't want to fill these out too much, so I'm just going to kind of use them sparingly. Lastly, I'm just going to do one more layer from the Triton just to make it sound fuller and thicker just for the chorus. Okay, my timing there wasn't perfect, so I'm just going to quantize these. Actually, I think I'm just going to swap these two over. Might take them out, actually. Yeah, I think that's better without the end section on. Yeah, I think the violins just give it that something extra. Make it feel a bit more grand and epic just for the chorus. So as always, I'm going to get this structured now. I'll come back and show you the final beat, walk you through what I've changed. However, if this is your first time here and you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button just down below. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers now, and I've got a giveaway happening when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't hit that bell notification, go ahead and click that so that you don't miss out on the giveaway. Right, let's take a listen. So for the intro, we just got a few main elements of the melody. And then the second 4 bars here, we just bring in some hi-hats and some bass. And then we just lead into the chorus with some of the strings and also the riser. Definitely got that 2000s kind of vibe. Let me know what 2000s type rapper you could hear on this down below in the comments. Just a small gap here. Loads of room for vocals on this. Pitch it up here a little bit. More break in the drums there, just for some variation. We just break it down here before the chorus for the last 4 bars. I think this one turned out sick, you know. see how I structure these beats, maybe click up here. If you want to see a bit more grimy kind of boom back, maybe click up this side. Till next time, I've been SK. Peace.